Start recording. Stop recording. Button.
Hello everyone. It's the 3rd of July.
Yeah.
Say hi, Manny.
Hi.
No, just say hi, Manny. I'm just
We're
kidding.
watching the fireworks right now.
Watching the fireworks?
Yeah, listen to them.
Well, they just started a couple of them. Are you excited to watch the fireworks?
Yeah.
How much did the Tooth Fairy give you last night?
$1 and $1.
$1 and $1?
No, $1 and $1 and $1.
$1 and $1 and $1?
Yeah.
So how many does that make? Two $1?
Yeah.
That doesn't make
No, triple $1.
triple $1? So what does that make?
That makes 700.
So triple $1 makes 700?
Yes.
I need to talk to your teachers because I'm not teaching you very correctly.
Oh.
I think they're just doing test runs, huh? I think we started recording too early.
Were they just practicing?
I think so.
Or maybe they hit one of the lights. Or maybe they just left. This is the best view you could ever have. Yes, I'll take the time to sit down.
Okay. Here, hold my camera then. Sit down. Ow.
Hey, take me down.
I know, honestly.
Oh, bushes right there. Where you at, boy?
Right here?
Are you recording still?
Yeah.
Are you gonna sit on my lap?
Yeah, you can sit on the lap.
Are you gonna record the video?
Yeah.
You better not drop my phone.
Okay.
Woohoo! Could be a long video, huh?
Yeah.
That's okay. My 2 viewers won't mind. So tell everybody how you can count to 10. Count to 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Tell everybody your full name.
I'm Emmanuel Isaiah.
What's your middle name?
I'm Sean.
So tell everybody your full name.
I'm Emmanuel Isaiah Sean.
No. Sean's your middle name.
Emmanuel Sean Isaiah.
There you go. Little crazy one. See, your mom doesn't want you to know your middle name. She doesn't like your middle name.
Yeah.
I don't know why.
Oh. You don't even know. What?
For some reason I farted.
For some reason you farted?
Yeah.